Activity in General Biology.
Representing from Group 6.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, ma'am. I am Babe Joyta of Makalang from STEM 12B. So for today's video, we create and discuss a 3D different cell models. And I am a first presenter of our Group 6. And I choose Kingdom Monera. And this is my Kingdom Monera 3D cell model. So this is my 3D model of bacteria. So this organism can be found under the kingdom of Monera. So these are the part of my bacteria. So the number 1 here, this one is what we call the nucleode or DNA. So number 2, this one, the blue color, is what we call the plasma membrane. And this one, what we call the flagellum. The number 4 is this one is the ribosomes. And the number 5, this is what we call the pilus. And the number 6, this one is the capsule. The number 7, the color green, here is what we call cell wall. And the number 8 is what we called cytoplasm. And the last one is what we called is plasmid.
Assalamualaikum and good day, ma'am. I am Aiza Hassan, and in this video I will show you my 3D model of Amoeba. It is under Kingdom Protista. Amoeba is one of the organisms under Kingdom Protista. These are the parts of my 3D model. First one is cell membrane. The second one is food vacuole. Third is water globules. Fourth is nucleolus. The fifth one is contractile vacuole. And the sixth one is nucleus. And we have ectoplasm and endoplasm, which is the cytoplasm. And lastly, the pseudopod. So this is my 3D model of Amoeba under the kingdom of Protista. So number 2 question is, what are the cellular characteristics that you use to classify organisms under kingdom Monera, Protista, and fungi? So we can easily classify organisms in kingdom Monera because kingdom Monera include prokaryotic organisms called bacteria. The DNA of a bacteria is not surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Organisms of kingdom Monera lacks organelles like mitochondria, lysosomes, plastids, Golgi bodies, centrosome, etc. The cell wall is presented but not well developed. And one more thing is they are reproduced asexually by binary fission or budding. So these organisms, this kingdom is usually called environmental decomposers, and kingdom Monera has simple structure. So unlike kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista organisms are all unicellular eukaryotes, which means their cells have a nucleus and they have membrane-bound cell organelles. Most but not all protists are single-celled, and the circulation of these organisms is through diffusion. They can be parasites, and they all prefer aquatic or moist environment. The reproduction is mostly asexual, and few also reproduce by sexual reproduction. The cell wall of this organism is well developed, and kingdom Protista has complex structure. Kingdom fungi, on the other hand, is a group of organisms that can be found from water, air, land, and also found in plants and animals. Fungi are also eukaryotic and non-vascular, non-motile organisms. They have a heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The kingdom fungi is consist of both unicellular and multicellular organisms. The cell wall of kingdom fungi is composed of chitin but do not undergo photosynthesis. They reproduce by means of spores. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am, and I am the one who will be presenting the kingdom of fungi. So here we go.
Very good with people.
So this
You don't
is
start a
my
conversation. You won't have
activity. So this one is the cap. This one is the gills. This one is the spores. This one is the stalk. This one is the hyphae.
not very good.
And this one is the underground
Don't start a
hyphae.
conversation. We won't have one. We won't have one. If you don't start a conversation, conversation, we won't have one. We won't have one. If you don't start a conversation, we won't have one. We won't have one. If you don't start a conversation, conversation, we won't have one. We won't have one. Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, we won't have one.